Hey guys, DiceyBoy22. I know what I said in my last video, but this is a Gunpla unboxing. So, yeah, this will probably be my last unboxing or Gunpla video for a while. Not too long though, but uh, I don't know. I'll keep you guys updated, but here we go. Um, I already tore it open the package some, so I wouldn't have to waste time. I got my first Sengoku kit. I just wanted to try one out. And this guy looked really awesome and impressive, so decided to get that. And I got a new Mr. Color Gold. So I will be painting the horn and armament of Psyche, and I'll just be painting what the rest of the yellow is on God Gundam, except the stickers, of course. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. I don't know when that'll be, but I'll keep you guys updated. See ya.